Camera, look at me. Okay. And I'm going to have your folder here so I could review things that you've had problems with. Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Natalie. Hi, Natalie.
Hi.
Natalie actually works in my building. So Natalie had, you first went to see me right around middle of the year last year. And what were some of the symptoms that you were having that you wanted to talk to me about?
Severe heartburn, constipation, fatigue, weight gain, tired all the time.
So let's talk about this severe heartburn. What does that mean? You had severe heartburn?
Like every single day, no matter what I ate, I had heartburn at some point in the day. Every single day.
Every single day?
Every single day. By the end of the day, I always had heartburn.
Was it like a burning coming from your stomach to your throat, or was it just a warming? Did you actually taste something?
It was burning.
It was burning. And you had that for how long?
Probably a good almost a year.
A year? Every day for a year you had that?
Yeah, and I didn't take any antacids. I tried not to because your body gets dependent on it. So.
Right. So you didn't really know what was causing it or what to do about it. You just kind of dealt with it.
I just kept on drinking water, hoping it would put out the fire.
Okay. But we actually found out you had Hashimoto's in the process too. Mm-hmm. Did you know you had Hashimoto's already? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so you had Hashimoto's as well, which kind of encourages that kind of situation as well. But you weren't quite ready to get started. Mm-hmm. And so it was another 5, 6 months, 7 months until you actually got started, which I congratulate you for, because you told me you would be back. And sure enough,
I admit it.
you came back. You were ready to get started, and you have stuck to it. And so we're coming up on our little over 3 months now. But you had really made some significant improvement with your digestion and your heartburn. Tell me about that.
Probably within the first week of doing the diet, I had no more heartburn with inflammation eating plan.
So it was a definite,
quick.
It was definitely related to what you were eating was causing a lot of that.
Definitely the heartburn.
Wow. So you dealt with this for a full year, and within a week or two of being on my de-inflammatory eating plan, it was completely gone.
And I kept on thinking it was going to come back. Every once in a while, I'd feel like, oh, I'm going to get heartburn, and then it's like, nope.
That must be a relief, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then your digestion got much better. You're having a lot of constipation issues, and when did that clear up?
Probably 2 or 3 weeks being on the eating plan. I started noticing I was starting to go on a regular basis every morning.
Nice. So
sometimes even twice a day.
So it sounds like you learned a lot about how food affects your body, mm-hmm. Probably more than you ever thought it did. Yeah, it has a gigantic effect on your body.
I always had a feeling that maybe dairy, my body was having a problem with dairy.
Possibly, yeah.
I've always had a feeling. Well, the last few years I've been feeling like that.
Okay.
I love cheese too much to give it up, so.
All right, so you made improvements in your bowel movements. You made a lot of improvements in your heartburn, and you also had some improvements in your fatigue as well.
Mm-hmm. Your fatigue and also, too, every day between 2 to 3 at work, I would get really tired.
And you don't have that anymore.
I don't have that anymore
So
either.
that afternoon dip is no longer
there.
there.
The energy.
Nice.
Loss of energy between 2 and 3.
Great. Well, we still have some work to do with your sleep patterns, so we're still working on that. But I mean, heck, you've had this for 10 years, it says here on your paperwork, and within a matter of 2 to 3 weeks, you had 2 of those major things resolved. And 3.5 months later, you said, what percentage better are you? Would you say?
About 70%.
70% in 3 months. That's really awesome. I'm very, very pleased about that.
Me too.
Thank you very much for doing this for me, Natalie.
No worries.
That was perfect.
Yeah?
That was excellent.